TV.
Kapod wang'eyo mago mag thieth nyakoro mgajuang jatend Migao mar thieth Susan Nakumicha okoni Migao mar thieth osechako twak kod riwruoge mag lakteche kaka achiel kuom yore mag geng'o ng'anyo mag lakteche pacho ka makoro winjo chakre tich ang'wen jumani. Nakumicha bende okoni thoth ywak mag lakteche wuok e counties, kuom mano lakteche ma ondik kod counties gitend counties ema thoro bedo gi ywak ainago. Okwayo governors mantiere kod midhiero kod jochiw thieth mag indiko mondo omi olos yore mag kelo winjruok e kindgi kendo giketa alwora maber mar thieth e counties.
The issues of going to strike are not related to the current circumstances. They are related to the cost of living. That has nothing to do with the Ministry of Health. It's a national-wide issue. So they are being engaged by the PS, hopefully that they should be able to reach an agreement. But I also need to emphasize that these health workers, majority of them are employed by counties. So the county governments are their employers and not the Ministry of Health. Therefore, specific issues should be addressed by specific counties to their specific workers, as opposed to an umbrella of a strike or an umbrella of national issues. So I want to believe that the governors will be able to respond to the specific issues for each county government.